Achilles heel. The fall of Singapore to the Japanese proved the Achilles heel of the British power. An apple of discord. Kashmir is an apple of discord between Pakistan and India. Read between the lines. Only a clever person can read between the lines. En route. I broke my journey at Sialkot en route to Kashmir. Ex officio. The chairman is an ex officio member of this committee. Correction. He had gone there yesterday. He went there yesterday. I had not written any letter last night. I did not write any letter last night. If you will come to me, I will help you. If you come to me, I will help you. He did nothing but played. He did nothing but play. Do you know to swim? Do you know how to swim? Pair of words. Affection. I have great affection for my students. Affectation. It is always easy to distinguish between sincerity and affectation. Human. To err is human, to forgive divine. Human nature is the same all over the world. Human. Always treat the poor in a human manner, humanly. The doctors have done all that is humanly possible. Immunity. Vaccination gives immunity from smallpox. Impunity. You cannot violate the laws of nature with impunity. Incredible. The report that you killed a tiger with a knife is incredible. Incredulous. I have not seen such an incredulous person as you are. Moral. The moral standards in Islam are very high. Morale. The army recovered its morale and fighting power. Translation Urdu to English. सकाफ़त के मानी है इंसानी जहन की तरक्की और बेहतरी। इस्लामी सकाफ़त दुनिया की दूसरी सकाफ़तों से मुख्तलिफ है। इसका मकसद सिर्फ एक फ़र्द या कौम की बेहतरी नहीं बल्कि सारी नस्ल इंसानी की फ़लाह है। इस्लामी सकाफ़त के रहनुमा पैगम्बर इस्लाम है। इसका दस्तूर कुरान है और इसकी मंजिल खुदा है। इस्लाम इंसानी कोशिशों के मकासद का तयन करता है और इन मकासद के हसूल के लिए मुकम्मल रहनुमाई करता है। ये हमें एक मुकम्मल ज़ाब्ता हयात फराहम करता है जो हयात इंसानी के सभी पहलुओं का अहाता करता है। कल्चर मीन्स द डेवलपमेंट एंड इम्प्रूवमेंट ऑफ ह्यूमन माइंड। Islamic culture is different with the other cultures of the world. Its aim is not the improvement of an individual or a nation, rather it aims at the amelioration of all the human race. The leader of Islamic culture is Prophet, peace be upon him, of Islam. Its charter is Quran and its destination is God. Islam defines the objects of human efforts and gives complete guidance for the acquisition of these objects. It provides a complete code of life which covers all the aspects of human life. Vocabulary. Urgency, फौरी तवज्जो की ज़रूरत. Unrelentingly, बेरहमी से. Tenacious, मजबूत. Tinge, हल्की सी झलक. Vivacious, जिंदा दिल. With, यानी के. Viavis, आमने सामने के मुतल्लक. Witch hunt, सियासी पकड़ तकड़. Vantage, बरतरी. Vintage, साल की बेहतरीन शराब.